Welcome back to DiscoveryDepot YT. Today we'll guide you through one of the most popular cryptocurrency platforms in the world, Binance. Whether you're new to crypto or just curious, by the end of this video you'll know how to operate Binance like a pro. Hey there, future crypto enthusiast. Ever heard of Binance? It's like the Google of cryptocurrency. A massive platform where you can buy, sell, and trade all sorts of digital currencies. Think of it as a digital marketplace, bustling with activity 24/7. People from all around the world use Binance because it's easy to use, offers a huge variety of cryptos, and has super low fees. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're a seasoned trader, Binance has something for everyone. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Getting started on Binance is a piece of cake. Just head over to their website and click on Register. You'll need to provide your email address and create a strong password. Remember, security is key in the crypto world, so choose a password you don't use anywhere else. Once you've registered, Binance will send you an email to verify your account. Click the link in the email, and voila! You're now part of the Binance community. Before you start trading, you'll need to complete a quick identity verification process, also known as KYC, Know Your Customer. This helps keep Binance a safe and secure platform for everyone. Now, let's get some funds into your Binance account so you can start buying crypto. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, funding your account is the first step to accessing the world of cryptocurrencies. Binance offers a bunch of ways to do this, from bank transfers to debit and credit cards. You can even use third-party payment providers if that suits you better. Simply go to your wallet and click on Deposit. This is your gateway to adding funds to your account, and it's designed to be user-friendly. Choose the currency you want to deposit. It could be US dollars, euros, or any other supported currency. Binance supports a wide range of currencies to make it convenient for users from different parts of the world. Then, select your preferred payment method. You can choose from a variety of options, including bank transfers, credit cards, and even some local payment methods depending on your region. Each method might have different fees and processing times, so take a quick look before making your choice. It's always a good idea to compare these factors to ensure you're getting the best deal. Once you've initiated the deposit, it might take a little while for the funds to show up in your Binance account, depending on the method you chose. Be patient, and soon you'll be ready to start trading and exploring the vast world of cryptocurrencies on Binance. With money in your account, you're ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. This is an exciting step into the world of digital finance, where opportunities are vast and the market is always buzzing with activity. Binance offers hundreds of different cryptos to choose from, like Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, known for its smart contract capabilities, and many more innovative digital assets. To buy crypto, go to the Markets or Trade section on Binance. This is where you'll find all the trading pairs and options available to you. You'll see a list of all the available cryptocurrencies. Each one has its own unique features and potential for growth. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. It's the most well-known and widely accepted cryptocurrency. Simply search for BTC and choose the trading pair you want, like BTC USDT, Bitcoin against Tether. This pair allows you to trade Bitcoin using Tether, a stablecoin. Now, you can place a market order to buy Bitcoin at the current market price. This is the quickest way to purchase Bitcoin without worrying about price fluctuations. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the amount of money you want to spend, and click Buy BTC. Make sure to review your order before confirming. Congratulations, you're now a crypto holder. You've just made your first step into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Keep exploring and learning to make the most of your investment journey. Buying crypto is just the beginning. It's your first step into the exciting world of digital currencies. Binance also offers a bunch of trading options, allowing you to buy low and sell high. Hopefully, with a variety of tools at your disposal, you can tailor your trading strategy to fit your goals. For beginners, there's the classic trading interface. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for newcomers to navigate the world of crypto trading. It's simple and easy to understand. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. You can place market orders, which allow you to buy or sell at the current market price. There are also limit orders, buying or selling at a specific price, and even stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. These tools help you manage your risk and maximize your potential gains. If you're feeling more adventurous, check out the Advanced Trading Interface. This is where things get really interesting. It has more charts, indicators, and tools to help you make informed trading decisions. You can analyze market trends, study price movements, and use technical indicators to predict future price changes. For example, let's say you think the price of Ethereum is going to go up. You can use the tools available to analyze the market and make an informed decision. You could set a limit order to buy Ethereum at a specific price lower than the current market price. This way, you can potentially buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price later. If the price drops to your limit price, your order will automatically be filled. This automated process helps you take advantage of market opportunities without constantly monitoring the market. Trading can be risky, so always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay informed by reading the latest news and market trends, and remember to trade responsibly. Did you know you can earn passive income with your crypto on Binance? It's called staking. Think of it like putting your money in a savings account, but with potentially higher returns. With staking, you lock up your crypto for a certain period and earn rewards for helping to secure the network. Binance offers various staking options, with different lockup periods and estimated annual percentage yields, or APYs. To start staking, go to the Earn section on Binance and choose Staking. Select the cryptocurrency you want to stake and the lockup period that suits you. It's a great way to grow your crypto holdings while you learn more about the market. So you've made some profits and want to withdraw your funds? Easy peasy. On Binance, go to your wallet and click on Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and the network you want to use. This is important because using the wrong network could result in losing your funds. Always double-check the network address and make sure it's correct. You'll need to provide your withdrawal address, which is like your bank account number for crypto. Once you've initiated the withdrawal, it might take a little while for the funds to arrive in your external wallet, depending on the network traffic. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Binance offers robust security features to protect your account and funds. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring a unique code from your phone to log in. Binance also has a feature called Anti-Phishing Code that helps you identify legitimate Binance emails and avoid phishing scams. Be cautious of suspicious emails or websites asking for your login credentials. Remember, Binance will never ask for your password or private keys. By taking these security measures, you can trade with peace of mind on Binance.